welcome to Top Phone for You. Today's video, I've got with me the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and going through the initial setup. So first, in the outer box, it just comes is a thin box. As you already know, it doesn't include any charger. The model number, this one is the Snapdragon version, and the model number is the SMG9980. This is the 512 megapixel storage with 16 gig of RAM in phantom black color. And as you've got the Galaxy printed on the side there, and then at the front we have the S and then the 21 underneath it. So I'm just gonna open the box. So when you open the box, you're presented with the phone, and there is nothing under there. Let's lift the phone up. Just gonna switch it on. Then what else we have in the box? We just have in here have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and then the quick starter guide, the warranty card, and on this side we have the SIM ejector, and that's it. There's nothing else. No charger, no you don't get any case with it either. So that's now it's switched on. Let's go through. So we have a 6.8 inch AMOLED display. It's a Quad HD. So on this side you have the volume button up and down and the power on there. And at the bottom you have the speaker grill, got the SIM card tray, and then USB-C. And then on this side there is nothing, it's all fine. On the top we have the microphone and nothing else. At the back you have the quad setup camera with the LED flashlight in there. Just gonna this off. It's the color, it's the phantom black. It hides fingerprints and no fingerprints on there. So we have the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and this is the 180 megapixel wide, and we have two telephoto 10 megapixel telephoto cameras in there as well, which is quite good. At the back, yeah, it feels very nice. This color is very premium. It felt premium. It's metal at the back. So let's go through it. So on this one you can have Quad HD with 120 refresh rate enabled at the same time, which it wasn't possible on the Note 20 Ultra or on the previous Galaxy, which it feels very smooth. So that's the telephoto camera. Then we have the 3x zoom there. That's the normal camera. Then the ultra wide 12 megapixel. You can this phone support up to 100 times zoom. In the camera. This can record up to 8K at 24 frames per second. So you got Ultra HD 60, and then Ultra HD 30, and Full HD there. Nice. So there you go. I'm gonna be performing a few tests on using this phone. Let me know in the comment section below what tests you would like it to see on my next video. Okay, that's it from me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friend, and hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and enable notification for my latest video. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.